Jay-Z signs Buju Banton. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel viewers and subscribers. So today I have a story for you. I don't know if you see this already because I see it a couple days ago, but I never did I get it from the reliable source. But now one of our reputable newspaper sources have published it, so I decide to go speak on it. Alright? So Mr. Buju Banton gets signed by Jay-Z, but it is Jay-Z Rockefeller or Rat Nation, because it did name so before. That's why I'm get it confused. So Rat Nation Records, I want to know Rihanna depend it, and like J. Cole, I don't know if you know J. Cole, and a couple of other big names still. We are talking about Jay-Z. We are talking about Jay-Z at top. We are talking about upper echelon thing. You see me, I say top notch, top tier. So Buju Banton is the latest artist, it seems like, to join the crew. Now, I don't know how the stipulation of the deal go, because they never really explain it or whatever. So maybe it's just distribution deal, maybe it's just one album deal, maybe it's whatever. But let's read and see what the Star published. So it says, Buju Banton has become the second Jamaican artist to represent on hip-hop business mogul's Jay-Z label, Rat Nation, following the 2016 signing of reggae artist Damian Junior Gong. So see the Junior Gong upon it too. All right. Though the terms of the deal are unknown, spectators have described it as a good look for dancehall. The artist has been on a long walk to reclaim his dominance on the local and international stages, and the Rat Nation opportunity comes almost 1 year after Buju Banton release from United States federal prison, where he spent 8 years for drug-related charges. So there's not much to it telling, but I just want to know, say yeah, a real thing. So I'm signed by Jay-Z. And one of the things people like it say, most Jamaicans say it's a good look for dancehall, it's a good look for Buju, and I agree. You see me, I say even if the deal now like put him on that big level there when he become a mainstream American international artist, you see what I say? It's still a good look for no say there's still quality in Buju's work and music after so many years of doing it. You see me? I'm still relevant. More than enough people would just start do it. You see me? And that only speak for say the type of music what you do will live long. And even though a new music him a go do, you know what I mean, them always have like them can repackage him old work or whatever and get it further out and all them things there. So we are stand by for hear the stipulations of the deal and understand or better understand what them have for offer him. But one thing me know though, Buju are not idiot, because I'm telling you something. You see Buju music well protected. I mean I talk about long time. When enough people just catch up on like copyright work and them thing, the Buju thing they light years ahead. You see me? Buju music them you can't even upload them on like Facebook and them places as you like. You see me? And that's a long time from him gone. So them man they are businessman. Them man they are not just no regular artists. You see me? And if Buju take a deal, he must know where him take and he must understand. You know, maybe he have something to do with DJ Khaled, because DJ Khaled in that circle there and thing, but we don't know. You see me? DJ Khaled close with like Puffy and Jay-Z them. We all know that. And Buju and DJ Khaled close. So we don't know. But people want to get in the comment section, tell me how you feel, and maybe, you know what I mean, if you don't know anything about deals and things, you can tell you what you think about. If anybody there will know about music and know about deal and them thing there, or anybody have any insight, we don't have to try to like get when I public, because if I something where they don't want the public to know or whatever, if you not finalize or whatever, you know what I mean, we not try to like break the barrier and do it before they announce it. But just, you know what I mean, if you don't have any opinion or if you don't feel like, boom, you don't think, you don't know what the deal is about, please leave it in the comment section. Other than that, if it's your first time on this page and you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow the page for daily updates. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.